Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Okay, so first let's learn how to place a call when you are shaking the phone and how your app will make a loud sound. Yes, you people need phone in today's class. In the very first class also, you people did one activity, no? You did one app where you were shaking your phone and the app was saying something like stop shaking me, correct? In the same way, we will do today's app as well. So I hope everybody is having phones. If not, you can quickly get it so that it will be easier to test. Okay. So then let's get started. Okay, first let me show you. Okay. Please show me thumbs up. Okay, yes. So I have already previewed my app. Okay, when I tap on this button where it is written, make a loud sound. Okay. Can you hear the sound? Yes. Also, since I'm playing it on laptop, I cannot shake it. Okay. I can shake only my phone. So the shaking part can only be tested on phone. Okay. So I'll stop share. Understood? Interesting. App is interesting. You can design it as per your wish. Yes, you can do, Vardhan, that as well. Okay. So tell me, what are the components you think is needed for this app? Button, okay. Other than button, image, okay. Text to speech is not needed, not at all. Good. Accelerometer, good job. Okay, so I'll share my screen back again and let's create an app. Okay. Do you want the link of Thunkable? I'll send you the link. Okay, I'm repeating this in every class. Still 1 or 2 are not unchecking it. Okay, tap on create button. So it is creating a new project. Oh, what this happened? It has, I think it has removed it. Okay, I'll delete this. I'll create a new app, safety app, give the category. Uncheck this, try it out and do create. Okay, so our project is created. Now let's work on the designing. Fine. So first let us put a image. So drag and drop the image component. Okay. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll give you the image. Thank you, Dhanishri. I'll send you the image on chat. Everybody can download it and use that. Okay, this is the logo. Okay, so after putting the image, we need one label so that we can say about this app? Okay, I'll put this title under the image because first the logo comes, then the title comes. Okay, so in the text property of label, you can write like anything. I'm writing MindChamp Safety App. Okay, design the label according to your wish. Give some color. Okay, give some background color. Okay, give text align property, center. Make the width property as fill container and give some margin at top so that there is a spacing between the logo and the title. Okay, after doing this, we need to put a button. Okay, so drag and drop a button onto your screen. Bring the button under the label. Give some margin. I'll give the margin as top margin 50. Write the text on the button as make a loud sound. I'll also rename the button to loud sound. Okay. Change the color of the button. You can enlarge the button also. Text color, I'll give it black. And if I scroll down, I can increase the height. Give the height of the button as absolute size and give the height as 100. Make the width as absolute size and give the width as 100. No, 100 will be small. We can give 300 or even 250 is good. Okay, give the width as 280. Okay. So all of you do till here. Whoever has done till here, please show me thumbs up. Top margin and bottom margin. Okay. Then click on the button, drag and drop the button. Click on it, write the text on it as make a loud sound. Okay. Give some background color to it. Scroll down. Make the height of the button as absolute size. Click here, choose absolute size and give the size as 100. Go to the width property of button, click on it, go to absolute size and give the size as 280. So done with the designing of the button as well. Okay. So done. Done till here, everybody. Please message me or show me thumbs up. Done. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed further. Now, who will tell me that what else is needed? What else is needed to put? Sound, accelerometer, correct. Yes, we need these two things as well. Accelerometer which will sense the shaking of your phone, and a sound component which will play the sound for you. Okay, so go to the component section, search for accelerometer. Just type ACC and you will get the component in sensors category. Drag the accelerometer and drop on the empty space on your screen. Accelerometer is an invisible component, so it will appear under your screen. Okay. After doing accelerometer, we can set its sensitivity to high so that it quickly senses the shaking of your phone. Okay. So set the sensitivity to high of accelerometer. Now what else is needed? We need the sound component. So in the component section, search for the sound, drag and drop it on your screen. Sound component has come. Okay. Now we have to put the sound. So go to the property of sound, source, click where it is written no file source and do upload files. Go to the folder where your file is saved. Choose your file and it will be added. It said asset added. Okay, if you want, you can. Everybody has uploaded the sound also. Yes, you can set the volume to 10. Okay, do it fast. I have already sent you the safety app logo and the sound. If you couldn't download, you can go to Google, search for any safety logo and put it in your app. So you can write alarm, high sound. You will get it on Google. Download it and put it in your app. Okay. Now I am moving to coding. Okay. Okay. How to do button? Button is simple. Just drag and drop the button. Give the text on it as make a loud sound. Change its color as per your wish. Give the height of the button as 100, absolute size 100. Give the width as absolute size 280. That's it. So I'll go to blocks and now let's do the coding. So what we need to do? When button is click. So go to your button. I named it as loud sound. So when loud sound is clicked, what my app should do? It should play the sound. So go to sound 1 category and do call sound 1's play. Finish. Do it. Do this coding. Now what we need to do? When accelerometer is shaking, right? So what you have to do? You have to call a particular phone number, right? So how will you call a particular phone number? Yes, you are right, Vardhan. We need a share component. So go to the designing, search for the share component in component section, drag the share component and drop it on the empty space on your screen. Drag and drop the share component. It is also an invisible component. It appears under the screen.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.